Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have a 1998 Honda Valkyrie 6-cylinder. This is the GL1500. It's the cruiser version of the Goldwing engine. Beautiful two-tone metallic blue and cream color with a nice windscreen for touring, saddlebags, and a very comfortable backrest. 19,000 on the odometer. That's been changed out. The bike is in excellent condition, and you can see that it's not high mileage. Beautiful chrome finish, shiny and beautiful, just $49.99. Come by, check it out. Make your big cruiser dreams come true in this beautiful Valkyrie. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes for you. Sounds fantastic. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.